The other day, I sent money to Bangkok Bank in Thailand, and the fee was actually 0 yen. I know some of you are thinking, wait, really? So today, I'll walk you through exactly how I did it step by step. I live in Chiang Mai, and whenever I've sent money overseas through a bank counter, I've paid a few thousand yen in fees, on top of a pretty poor exchange rate. The method I'm sharing today can bring that cost down to almost zero. The system is simple, just 3 steps. First, top up Revolut using a Sumishin SBI Net Bank Platinum debit card. Next, exchange your yen for Thai baht inside Revolut. Finally, send it to a bank in Thailand. That's it. Step 1. Top up with a debit card. I used the Sumishin SBI Net Bank Platinum debit card, and the top-up itself is free. On top of that, I also earn points, 2% in my case, though this depends on your Suma Puro rank, so it'll vary from person to person. Be sure to check your own reward rate in the app. By the way, there's a similar service called Wise, but topping up with a debit card on Wise comes with a fee. To avoid it, you'd need to use a bank transfer instead. Revolut, on the other hand, offers free top-ups with a Japan-issued Visa debit card, and it even supports topping up with a credit card. That's why I top up directly from my Sumishin SBI debit card. Step 2. Exchange your yen for Thai baht inside Revolut. On weekdays, the exchange fee is 0 yen, and the rate is very close to the market rate, which makes it a great deal. Step 3. Send the money straight from Revolut to a bank in Thailand. The transfer fee for this, also 0 yen. Now let's actually try it out. Here's the actual result of the transfer I made. The amount was 1,000 Thai baht, and the fee was 0 Thai baht. It really was 0 yen. That said, there are some conditions. Free exchange only applies on weekdays. On weekends, a fee is added instead, so keep that in mind. The transfer fee itself is free regardless of the day of week, but if you're exchanging currency too, timing it on a weekday matters. There's one more condition. Free exchange only applies up to 750,000 yen per month. For everyday living expenses, that limit should be more than enough for most people. Let me say a bit about Revolut as a company. Honestly, I wondered myself, isn't this too good to be true? Is this company actually reliable? No exchange fees, no transfer fees, so where exactly is the money coming from? It's a fair question. Looking into it, they have other revenue sources, monthly fees from paid plans, exchange fees on amounts over the free limit, weekend exchange spreads, and interchange fees from merchants when the card is used. That's how they generate solid revenue. In other words, free transfers and free weekday exchanges are possible because the business is sustained elsewhere. It's not some shady scheme. As for the company's credibility, it was founded in the UK in 2015, posted a profit of $1.7 billion last year, and in March 2026, the restrictions on its UK banking license were lifted, making deposits eligible for protection. Regulation-wise, it's a solid company. That said, it's not all good news. There have been past reports of gaps in anti-money laundering measures and complaints about slow customer support. So rather than calling it completely safe, I describe it as well-regulated, but be mindful of the support side. Lastly, let me sum up 3 things to keep in mind when using this. First, what exactly counts as a weekday for free exchange? In Japan time, Saturday 6 a.m. through Monday 7 a.m. is treated as the weekend, and a fee applies during that window. Second, bank transfer fees are 0 yen, but if an intermediary bank is involved, that bank may deduct its own fee. Always check the final amount in the app before you send. Third, the point reward rate on the SBI Platinum debit card may change in the future. Be sure to check the current terms in the app before you use it. As long as you follow these conditions, you really can send money with zero fees. I'd especially recommend this to anyone living in Thailand. One more thing I want to be upfront about. The points rewards on the SBI Platinum debit card currently apply to this top-up, but there's no guarantee that will always be the case going forward. If anything about the process is unclear, feel free to ask in the comments. And if you enjoyed this, please subscribe to the channel.